What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, back to our regular content here. If you watched our last video, it got like 100, almost 170,000 views of like 20-second clip of MMA. It's pretty random, but it helped the channel out a lot, so I guess we'll take it. But check us out. Got the doors off the Jeep, got the top off. I did the front two doors out because I'm lazy. But it's gonna be a little laid back the other day. We're gonna head up to Scott's. We're gonna fix the exhaust, put the spring back on, maybe take it for a little rip ski, eat some steaks, you know, hang out. Yeah, we're gonna head up to Scott's right now. Alright, so here's the deal. Apparently we lost when the exhaust fell off, I lost one of the red springs. But we managed to save the rest, the two stocks and then the one red one that looks like this. So I ordered one off Amazon. I think it's bigger than the other ones. And then now me and Scott can't find the we can't find the other springs that we salvaged. So we found some of these laying around the garage, so we're gonna see if we can make it work. Classic. So here's the problem, what we did. The two stock springs are supposed to go there, but we put the big gun springs there. And the big gun springs are supposed to go from here to here.
You got it? That quick?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, you're an expert. I mean, an expert.
Holy me. I hate this. Not my least favorite thing to do. Yeah. Got them on. It's probably not right. Probably too loose. It's just gonna come off again. So, hell yeah, boys.
We'll find out.
Take it for a quick little spin around the block, make sure it holds up. I think we should try maybe putting that silencer thing in it, see what it sounds like. I thought I was making like some weird crackling noises, but then it went away. Alright, so we installed the little, we call it a silencer or whatever it is. It's just like this little thing put in on the end of it. It's supposed to make it a little quieter or something, who knows. So we're gonna start it up, see what it sounds like. Alright, so in classic 5401 production style, we did something wrong. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. We put it on right this time. We even put the, what's it called, Scott? The spark arrestor. Yeah. So this thing, it'll arrest any sparks and take them right to jail.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Show you what it sounds like. Alright, so with that little silencer thing in there, you can, it's probably hard to tell on video, but the low ends and stuff, it's not nearly as raspy. If you watched our last routing video when it was completely straight piped, like that was unbearable. It was so goddamn loud. But this sounds good. Still get that good tone in it. So should be good to go. The springs are on it. Hopefully not gonna fall off. Good to ride. Ready for some full sends. Got a snorkel riser kit coming. If you don't know, the HighLifter is already snorkeled. Got the snorkels right here. But got the highest snorkels in the world. I'm gonna get the snorkel riser kit from HighLifter. It should come up to like here, per se. So be able to get in some deeper water without worrying about, you know, maybe something splashing into the snorkels. Be able to send this thing deep. Need to get some wheels for this thing. Also need to get one big thing I need to get is a front bumper. So as you can see, a little damage on the bumper there. Obviously you need to get the front and back, but they're so hard to find, not a lot of people make them. Even the ones from HighLifter, you can't find them on the website or nothing. So if you know where I can buy a front bumper for this thing, comment down below, let me know. Oh, we might go ride today. Maybe not, I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna cook some dinner. I might take my mom's hard top off, put a soft top on, so see what we're getting into, boys. Just a little vlog. All the new subscribers we got from almost like 100 subscribers just from that UFC video. Welcome to the channel. All the returning subscribers, thanks for sticking around. Also, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 810 or something. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, man. Share this video with all your friends, all your buddies, all your family members, your worst enemies, your dog. Show your dog this video. Your dog might be into some 541 Productions. Or your cat. You got a cat? Or your turtle? Who knows, man? Just show everybody this video. Or share the channel. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna order my Lamborghini. The Lamborghini should be coming in because we're just gonna be making so much money off YouTube. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Well, after what seems like was forever and lots of hard work and lifting, we failed to put her soft top on because I think it doesn't fit or it's the wrong year or something, so we just did a bunch of work for no reason. How do you feel about that, Scott?
So,
But at least on the bright side. Sheesh! We just got done eating. We're gonna go get on the four-wheelers, go for a little ride, something light. Switch over to the GoPro. All right, ladies and gentlemen, gonna go for a little ripski. Hopefully we don't get too muddy because I didn't bring a change of clothes. All I'm wearing is shorts and a tank top and my Crocs. But I guess you never know. Once you see that first puddle, you never know what's gonna happen. Get to hear what this exhaust sounds like with that silencer and the spark arrestor, whatever the hell Scott called it. Just the difference between this and the straight pipe from last ride. Oh my god. I had to stuff toilet paper in my ear and it was still like the loudest thing ever. Now obviously toilet paper isn't the best earplug, but still, at least now I can ride without earplugs and still hear myself think. Like I couldn't even like talk to the camera and hear my voice at all. It was like the worst. Although, I gotta say it did sound great. It was so loud. And it even ran good with the tuner, with no muffler on it. It ran surprisingly well. Didn't shut off, didn't backfire a lot either. But it should run even better with the actual muffler on it. It's alright, I got it. Button that chin strap, boys. Safety first. We're all about safety here at 5401 Productions. What do you boys think? 1,000 subscribers? Should we get some merch? Some limited, very limited 1,000 subscriber merch? That way, if we ever get a shit ton of subscribers, you'll know you're an OG. Get that 1,000 subscriber first generation 5401 Productions merch. Shit, that'd be lit. Dude, it'd be the sickest t-shirts ever, man. Hopefully we don't go too far. I don't have a crap ton of gas. Crap ton? What am I, 12? I don't have a shit ton of gas. I need have 2 bars of gas. Just letting you know. We found a trail. Just an evening stroll through the Pennsylvania wilderness. Just me and the boys. What's going on, guys? Talk to me. You can talk to me. It's just me, man. It's just your bro, Mike. What's going on? Jesus. Break, that hurt. Why was that hole so deep? What the hell? Christ. Dig my freaking thigh into my handlebars. Jesus Christ. I wasn't ready for that. Popped my shoulder out of socket. What the hell? I start talking to the boys. I wasn't on guard. That's your guys' fault. Freak got hurt, man. Jesus, look at that. Hashtag pasty whites in the comments. That'll be our first shirt. A pasty white. Maybe that's what we'll call our fans. The pasty whites. Or is that racist? I think that's racism. Never mind, pause. Oh, that f***ing hurt. Pretty sure I'm gonna run out of gas today. Hey, first time for everything, right? Who needs gas? I think I'm gonna fill it up with diesel next time. Probably more fuel efficient. What do you guys think? Mixture of diesel and water. I heard that's really good for your four-wheeler. Really fuel efficient. Get more miles out of her. What do you guys think about this? Jeez. Staying clean? Staying clean? F you, Scott. Don't shake your head at me. What? I have nothing on me at all. 2. pit. Little whoopty-doops. Whoopty-doops. Come on, these are my good shorts too. I didn't think ahead, boys. Scared me. let it creep through a hole for once. Is this how normal people ride all the time? Just slow, just enjoying it, you know? Not trying to break anything. It's a good time. Sunburn today. Nice. Need to find that little hole that caught me off guard. Freaking did that to me. Oh my god. Was it this one? I think it was this one. Look at that. My god, why is that so deep? Alright boys. Here's the mission. Get back to Scott's house without running out of gas. Oh, now we got 2 bars. There you have it, boys. Did not run out of gas, surprisingly, even though I'm like 1 bar that whole time. Little ride for you right there. Nothing crazy. Just a little vlog type video for you. Got the 4-wheeler, got the exhaust back hooked up right. Well, let's check it out first. Everything's still holding on. G to G, good to go. That's gonna be it for this one though, boys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, blah blah blah. You know what to do. Peace.